see this part because it's tricky. I'm going to go like this and put that in there. That's the tricky part. I'm going to put the vanilla away. And Mommy's going to get the butter out of the microwave. And you can pour that part in.
What are you doing, Stella?
Hold it. Hold
Making
it.
eggs.
Pour it in. Good job.
Wow.
Good job, Stella. Okay. We're gonna put this in here. This is the cheating way of doing it. The best way. Watch your fingers. Hold your fingers up. It's a little dangerous.
Is that in? Is it back in that bin?
Okay. Then look in. Watch. Look what we're gonna do.
Wow. Mixing.
Mixing.
Batte.
Batte. We're gonna go a little faster. Wow. No, did I bet you Mommy forgot?
Wait, careful. Oh, can you turn that off? Don't put our hands in there, okay? That's dangerous.
Okay, we're gonna do this a little bit more. So stop, come on.
What are you doing, Stella?
Are you making cookies? With Mommy. I'm gonna take that off for a minute. We need a spatula. You twist her like this. You take the spatula and you go like this.
Wow.
You want to make sure you get it off. You push it down. Push. And we have to hit it. Clear it out. Do you hold this for Mommy? Hold this. Thank you. Okay,